click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is Android Inclusion and this video will be very special for J7 2016 users, so let's watch. So friends, as we know that this phone was start to getting audio update in few countries, but now this device is getting Android update in one of the Europe country, which is Germany. The Android version this device is getting is Android 8.1.0, and if we talk about the experience UI, so it is getting experience UI 9.5. Friends, the update file size is about 933 MB. And friends, if we talk about the future update of this device, so Samsung has removed this device from Android Pie list, so that's a bad news too. So friends, this is the latest news. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Peace out.